So when I go into having a child, the me in me, I'm like, I want to. There was that fear that we used to have of having your kid, you leaving them at home for when they're only 1 month to go back to job. So I had accumulated my leave for that. And unfortunately, when I was about 7 months, I lost the job.
Yeah.
But the me in me still tells me, there's no way you can. You have your clothes.
Yeah.
I had begun packing fruits for office. I would make my very nice rice and peas, maybe chicken, whatever, pack in small packs, reach office, sell to my colleagues.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, you're taking food to a neighbor at 7K. Why can't I give it to you at 5K?
Wow.
And my food became popular. Those who would not buy and they come to test on mine, I would put in a lot of chili. And they're like, Judith, today you put a lot of chili.
Yeah.
So I would know that in the evening, I have 10 plates of fruits to go with to office in the morning. I'll have maybe 3 plates of food. The same food I'm eating. So basically, they're buying for me my lunch, but they have no idea. So now in my head, I'm like, how am I going to keep supplying this while I am away? So I know the food business is off, so I concentrate on my growth. I still had my customers in IDI, and those that had moved in other offices would recommend me to other people. So when I go home and I concentrate on having my baby, I give myself a year off. I had my savings. So I'm like, what am I now going to do? I had told myself I'm not going back to being employed. My mother is, one day you should do a program of us hosting our mother's stories,
Yes,
if they
sure.
allow.
Yeah, sure.
Some of these traits, I think I picked them from my parents. I have not known them for being employed anywhere in my 40 years of existence. So my mother has a shop downtown Kisenyi. She's doing obro, maize, sorghum. There's that sorghum for Bachiga.
Yeah.
I am a Mchiga. It's called what? It's called what? I've forgotten the name. Ente ezokonke y'Abachiga. Hari ente z'Abanyankole n'Abachiga. So my mother was dealing in that. She still does small scale. So she has this store, and because now I was not working, I have a lot of time to talk to her. Like, Mom, how do you do this business? But you also see that she's progressing from one level to another. My younger siblings are in university. She's paying home. It's okay. Go back home to a nice meal. But she's always dirty with sorry to speak my language. So I keep on asking her, going to visit her. I'm seeing how she's doing this business. It's not bad. So I have my saving. My daughter is 10 months old. I'm like, what am I doing at home? I go to Kisenyi. Bravo, there's a time when I was a Muslim. You don't know. Because when you reach in a community, you have to behave like them. So when I reach there, of course, people will tell, this person speaks English. Isn't she a spy? Kisenyi is a place of its own.
Yes. So you had to make sure you live to the level.
Yes, I reached the store. I tell Mom, let's share this business. Okay, not share, but can I co-rent in your space? So she allows me. Being the me in me, of course, the food was a bit difficult. So I get a place where I have to make my own food in my own office. I want to set it as an office, but in Kisenyi.